Welcome to this technical guide on the ASUS TP412FA. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If you're experiencing a cracked screen and it's not functioning properly, you're not alone. This issue can arise from accidental drops or pressure on the screen. If left unrepaired, it can lead to further damage, affecting the entire display and usability of your device. To get started with this repair, you will need a few tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic opening tool, tweezers, and a replacement screen for the ASUS TP412FA. Now, let's dive into the step-by-step repair process. Firstly, make sure your device is powered off and unplugged. Carefully use the plastic opening tool to pry open the back cover of the device, ensuring you don't damage any clips or connectors inside. Once you've opened it, locate the screen connector, which is usually situated near the motherboard. Gently disconnect it by pulling the connector straight out, being cautious not to apply too much force. Now, you need to remove the screw securing the screen to the frame. These are typically small Phillips screws. Take your time and remember the position of each screw, as they may vary in size. After removing the screws, you can carefully lift the cracked screen away from the device. Be careful not to apply too much pressure on nearby components, as they can be fragile. Once the old screen is removed, take your new replacement screen and place it in position, making sure it aligns perfectly with the frame. Reconnect the screen connector by pushing it back into place until you hear a click. Next, replace the screws you removed earlier, securing the new screen firmly. Now, it's time to close the device. Carefully align the back cover and press it down until you hear the clip snap into place. Finally, power on your ASUS TP412FA to check if the new screen is functioning properly. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. To prevent a cracked screen in the future, consider using a protective case and a screen protector. These can absorb shock and prevent damage from accidental drops. Additionally, always handle your device with care to minimize the risk of cracks. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.